Hey everybody, it's Mario from Virgin Homesteaders. I know it's been a while since I've spoken with you guys, posted a video. Happen to be up here in the RV today, up in the Panhandle. It's about 40, 45 degrees outside, so it's pretty chilly for me, who's down from further south most of the time. But nevertheless, it's all good. It's all good. I got my man Luca Brasi with me, my little Boston Terrier. He's keeping me company. If you guys get to see him, there you go. Say what's up, Luca. There you go. There's my man Luca Brasi. He sleeps with the fishes. But anyway, I'm up here doing a few things. You know, I want to tap into this, what is it, the natural spring. I want to build where the water flows and I can fill it up with jugs. I still need water on this RV. I'm having trouble trying to get the water heated. I've got to take a shower, but the water's freezing. It's like I'm in Antarctica or something. That stuff hits my hands and it's like, yo! But anyway, as you can hear in the background, listen to an Ohio player's Skin Tights. This is one of my sillier videos. This is actually the real Mario. But I'm having a good time. I really enjoy being up here, up where we are. I know there's some crazy people out there, so you can't really say where you are. Somebody be coming down here, giving me fan mail and looking me up and stuff, you know. Anyway, I'm going to try to post something later on today. I'm going to go over my neighbors and talk to them and fish a little bit. But right now, I hadn't done this in a while. As a matter of fact, I'll show you guys the RV. It's kind of messy. I'm the only one here. My wife's not here with me, so she can't, you know, be screaming on me, you know, put this up, put that up. I'm just leaving stuff everywhere, you know. So here it is. I've got my, now listen here, if somebody sees this, because I don't know how you get people to look at stuff or whatever, but this refrigerator, this Dometic, where's that? This Dometic gas, 2600 gas electric heater hasn't worked. It doesn't work. Before I go trashing things, I want to fix them. That's what homesteading's about. I don't want to just be this consumer that you know, oh, this isn't working, let me buy another one. No, I want to fix stuff. So if somebody out there knows how to fix this Dometic refrigerator, even if I have to take it out, or refill it with ammonia, whatever it is, I've looked on YouTube. Help me out. Help me out. I'm looking for comments. What else?